Robert Brown. Biography. Robert Brown, 1773 to 1858, was a renowned Scottish botanist who made significant contributions to the field of biology. Born in Montrose, Scotland, he studied medicine at the University of Edinburgh before developing a keen interest in botany. Brown's career was notably marked by his extensive work as a naturalist, including a notable expedition to Australia, where he collected and documented a vast number of plant species. Contributions. Discovery of the cell nucleus. One of Brown's most significant contributions was the discovery of the cell nucleus. In 1831, while examining orchid cells, he observed a small, dense body within the cells, which he termed the nucleus. This discovery was pivotal, as it highlighted the presence of a central structure within plant cells that played a crucial role in their function and development. The identification of the nucleus helped to advance the understanding of cell structure and was a fundamental step in the development of cell theory. Brownian motion. In addition to his work on the cell nucleus, Robert Brown is also famous for his discovery of what is now known as Brownian motion. In 1827, he observed the random movement of pollen grains suspended in water under a microscope. This phenomenon, characterized by the jittery and erratic movement of particles, was later understood to result from the collision of the particles with water molecules. Brownian motion provided empirical evidence for the kinetic theory of matter and significantly influenced the fields of physics and chemistry. Brown's meticulous observations and descriptions laid the groundwork for many scientific advancements, and his contributions continue to be fundamental to the fields of botany, cell biology, and physical sciences.